Welcome to CyberPross nmap tutorial, service and OS detection. This command probes open ports to determine the specific service and version running on them. SV flag enables version detection, which is crucial for identifying potential vulnerabilities associated with specific software versions. This performs an operating system detection scan using the O flag. Nmap sends a series of TCP and UDP packets to the target and analyzes the responses to determine the underlying OS. The flag enables an aggressive scan, which includes OS detection O, version detection SV, script scanning SC, and traceroute. This provides a comprehensive profile of the target system in a single command. This command sets the version scanning intensity to 5, the default to 7. Lowering the intensity level speeds up the scan by using only the most likely probes, while higher levels are more thorough but slower. This command tells nmap to guess the operating system more aggressively. When a perfect match isn't found, osscan-guess makes nmap report the closest match, which can be useful when scanning obscure or firewall devices. If this helped you, please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.